Overall, Samsung is a major player in the electronics industry and is considered to be one of the biggest and most influential companies in the world. Samsung smartphones are known for their advanced features and powerful performance, with many models ranking among the best smartphones on the market. The company also produces a wide range of other consumer electronics products, including tablets, laptops, smartwatches, and home appliances, which are generally well regarded for their quality and functionality. Hello and welcome to the review of the Samsung Galaxy S22. Let's talk about the design, the cameras, and some other features. Let's start with the design. The Samsung Galaxy S22 features a sleek and modern design with a large 6.1 inches 120Hz smooth dynamic AMOLED display that offers a high-resolution viewing experience. Now let's talk about the performance. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is a high-end smartphone with either the Snapdragon Gen 1 processor or the Exynos 2200. Depending on the region, it has 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. Whether you are multitasking or streaming or playing games or playing videos, you can handle everything with ease. Moving on the camera, the Samsung Galaxy S22 features a triple lens camera system that includes a 50MP wide lens, a 12MP ultra wide lens, and 10MP telephoto lens. This camera system offers excellent image quality and a range of features such as 8K video recording, HDR support, and optical zoom. The camera also includes a range of AI power features such as scene recognition and automatic adjustment to ensure your photos always look the best. Finally, let's talk about the battery. The Samsung Galaxy S22 comes with a 3700 mAh battery. It's a small battery, but it supports super fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. So even if you cannot use it for the whole day, you can charge it very fast. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is an excellent high-end smartphone that offers powerful performance, a great camera system, and modern design. Its main competitors include the Apple iPhone 13 and Google Pixel 7, but the S22 offers its own unique features and strengths. If you are in the market for a new smartphone and you are looking for a high-end device, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is definitely worth considering, especially now that you can find it used for the price of $350 to $400, and it's a way ahead of the A54 that Samsung offers in the similar price.